some clips from making a hickory pen last night. I like to get these blanks that are right at the edge where the heartwood and sapwood matches up. Been making these a little fatter. Feel like they fit my hand a little better at least, and they help with the joints on the connections. These get 5 layers of a CA finish, and then they're ready to go. What do you think? No time for a full video, just some clips and pictures showing how I oven dried this Osage Orange, which then blew out when I was squaring the ends. Saved it though with some clamp and super glue. Trying a new shape here and really trying to master putting in some burnt grooves. They came out okay, but still got to work on that. Overall, I love this pen. It turned out really nice.